Hello everyone, as most of us asked to make a video for reducing belly fat, today we are going to see some perfect asanas as well as few workouts for reducing your belly fat. First of all, I need to say one thing. Don't concentrate much on how many calories you intake, instead concentrate much on how many calories you are burning. So make sure you are doing along with me throughout the video. Also ensure that you didn't take any food for the past 2 hours. Let's begin. If you are new to this channel, this is Sundaram and this channel is almost everything about yoga. If you are interested in this topic, click that subscribe button and bell icon as well as select the option all so that you will get notified every time whenever we are uploading interesting related videos and essentially healthy tips. First, we are going to start with mountain climbers. Come to high plank position, keep your hands straight. Also make sure your body is inclined and looking as a straight single line. Never lose your hips down or also never lift your hip up. Stay straight and first bring your right leg towards your chest and then jump and come back to your left leg. Let's do it in a flow for 45 seconds, okay? 3, 2, 1 and start. Keep on doing along with your breathing. Feel the compression in your abdomen. Get you a steady pace and then increase your speed, or you can also lower your speed, but make sure you are doing and sustaining for 45 seconds. We are almost done. Last 15 seconds, so increase your speed. Last 5 seconds. Excellent. We have completed our mountain climber. Next we are going to move to your half plank. This might be little challenging, but try to stay for 45 seconds or at least stay for 30 seconds, okay? Let's begin. The same condition as we saw in mountain climber. Don't lose your hip down or up. Stay inclined. Like if you keep a ball in your head, it should straightly flow onto your leg, okay? Let's start. Stay for 45 seconds with normal breathing. Also never loosen your neck down or up. Stay straight, look forward, keep breathing. Stay for 45 seconds. Just 20 seconds left out. Keep on staying. We need to work hard for get those great results, right? So never give up. Just 10 seconds left of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, last 1 second. Yeah, relax. Now you can relax in Makarasana. Makarasana is simply just lie down and keep your foot outwards and place your hands like this. Place your chin on your opposite side of the palms. Close your mouth and take a long deep breath in your nostrils and exhale completely. Next we are going to do abdomen crunches. First we are going to do for single leg crunches. So lie down like this and place your hands outside your legs. Rise your both the legs little bit from the floor, and first we are going to raise our right leg 45 degree and we are going to change the left leg. Do this in a flow for 30 times, okay? Also make sure all the body parts is on the floor except the legs, okay? Also never bring the hands inside like this, okay? Let's start. Let's do it for 30 times, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Relax. Relax in Shanti-asana for 30 seconds. Take a long deep breath and exhale. Do you know this? Reducing your extra fats is essential because this may also cause severe problems like heart diseases in your later ages. So not only for later ages, even if you are young and even if you are a student, it may also affect your brain activity. All the energies that your body is consuming will be consumed with fats, so that it is scientifically proven that your brain activity will be reduced if you have extra fat muscles in your body. So if you feel like you are giving up, throw that feeling. Let's start doing for our both the leg crunches with a big smile. Okay, let's start. Now we are going to do 20 times the same what we did in the last, but we are going to do with both the legs. Raise your legs for 45 degree and bring back down, but don't place it on the floor. Okay, also never lift your shoulders like this. Most of the people will be doing this mistake. Let us don't want to make the same mistake. Okay, let's begin. 1. Inhale while getting your legs up and exhale while bringing it down. 3, 4. Also make your toe pointed outwards. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and last one, 20. Yeah, relax in Shanti-asana for 30 seconds. Take a long deep breath and exhale completely only through your nostrils. Okay, I know it's paining, right? So let's do a counter pose for this. Now we have compressed our abdomen in this way, right? So let's do Bhujangasana so that your abdomen will be stretched in the opposite direction. So your abdomen muscles will get relaxed. Lie down like this. Keep your hands beside your chest and slowly inhale and arch your back. Slowly inhale, arch your back. Wherever it's possible, if you can lift like this much only, stay there. Stay in your maximum for 30 seconds, and if you can also increase your stretch after 10 seconds, after every 10 seconds. Okay, let's start. 3, 2, 1 and start. Keep on breathing. Inhale and exhale. Stay with normal breathing. Keep your toes pointed outwards. Slowly exhale and relax. Now let's do Paschimottanasana. Just keep your legs straight, never bend your knees. Inhale and slowly raise your hands. Get the shoulders towards your ears and slowly bend forward with your chin up. Don't go like this. Go with your chin forward with the exhalation and stay wherever the maximum you can bend forward. If you can catch your toes, then catch it and pull it inwards. Pull the toes inwards so that your body will go front. Okay, pull it inwards
Actually, the final posture is to catch your toes and you need to place your elbows on the floor and you should place your chin on the knees. This is the final posture, but now we can stay for 30 seconds at our best. Okay? Slowly and gradually you can come to the final posture. You can and you will. Okay? But now you need to stay wherever it's possible. Even if it is like this, stay for 30 seconds. Okay? So that in the 30 seconds itself your stretch will be increased a lot. Now let's start. 3, 2, 1 and start. Stay with your normal breathing. If your abdomen has touched your thighs as well as if you place your knees on the chin, then that's the final posture. Now exhale and come to the normal posture. Okay? Relax, take a long deep breath and exhale completely. Finally, the last but not the least, Naukasana, the boat pose. This posture is really going to set fire on your abdomen. This is going to be challenging, so let's start staying for 10 seconds initially and let's increase the count up to 30 seconds after 2 days, 3 days. Eventually, gradually we can increase our staying count 10, 15, 20. Okay? First, let's stay for 10 seconds. Okay? Keep your legs in this V posture and keep your hands like this and slightly bend your spine backwards, but never keep your chest inwards. Expand your chest and always look upwards. Okay? Never bend your neck downwards. Slowly bend like this and with the inhalation rise your legs and stay. This is the posture, boat pose. Your legs, toes should be pointed outwards and stay here. In this posture, another question is you should not lift your legs too up or too low. Okay? You can't stay then. You should level up. You should find your gravity pace. Okay? You should level up with your toes and forehead. Okay? If you are not comfortable with this posture, if you feel this is too intense for you, then I will say you the variation. You can bend your knees and stay like this. If you want comfortability, you can catch your knees like this. After comfortable with this posture, you can leave your hands and then slowly you can raise your legs. Stay here for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly relax. Relaxation is much important after this heavy workout. So if you want Bhujangasana, that we did a counter pose before, do it and then come to Shantyasana. If you think you don't need, you can directly go to Shantyasana. Shantyasana is just lie down like this, approximately give 30 centimeter gaps between your legs and 15 centimeter gaps between hands and your body. Relax here with the pleasant music for a few minutes. Okay? Take a long deep breath. Then exhale slowly and completely. Just concentrate on your breathing and feel that you are relaxed and that you are going to become slim and stylish. Relax for a few seconds with deep inhalation and complete exhalation. Now it's time for you to be an inspiration to all your friends and family members. Reduce your weight soon and inspire them a lot. Also share this video to your friends and family members. Let's get all fit together. If you are a beginner, just now starting your fitness journey, then I need to say one thing. Increase gradually your workouts. Slow and steady will give you better results than expecting a faster result. Don't stress yourself for too much. Do consistently. Consistency will give you a better result. Okay? And another bonus tip for every one of you: if you felt any cramps in any part of your body, don't fear. Just press both of your toes hardly. That will boost your oxygen flow throughout your body and relaxes that cramp. Even though the cramp relax, you will get that pain. So just massage the cramp area, but don't use sprays and all. That and all not necessary. You will get rid of that soon. Also save this in a watch later or in a different playlist and come tomorrow and practice along with me to reduce your belly fat, not only for looking good but also for being a responsible person. Reducing your extra fats so that your brain will work 2 times faster. This is scientifically proven. So come tomorrow and practice along with me. Stay hydrated, sleep well, and don't consume the food which have large amount of sugar content. Also subscribe and stay connected with us for more essential videos. See you soon in the next interesting video as Slim and Stylish. Bye bye, take care.